Hey, good afternoon, folks. Actually, good evening. Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Another yawner of a day. Not much action going on. For a while it looked like the market was going to take a dip, but we came right back to that 450 support level we've been watching, and we kind of just, pushed right back off of it. And the market was actually, up until the close, was doing decently well and flat for the day. So just another range day, right? There's not much action going on in the indices. And, even the price action in stocks kind of reflected it. Things were just sitting around as people are waiting for something. But, overall, still no signs of the market rolling over just yet. We're just kind of basing out, flagging. And my thinking is if we can hold this for 1450, we're in good shape. If we do break under, we'll use the 20-day moving average as our next level of support. And if that doesn't hold, then this 1425, right, our previous market breakout, needs to hold. So those are kind of the levels I'm watching in terms of support. My gut feeling is we still do break out into new highs by the end of this month at some point, but that's just gut feeling. Right now we don't know. I mean, usually you give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls as, right, we're in an uptrend, and so that's kind of what I've been thinking. But, we'll just play the setups as if the market's flat, individual stocks will still go. Let's take a look. I put some pullback plays on the mark in case the market starts bouncing. We could get a bounce off some of these. Watch for MPEL here, sitting right on support. It was just 1350 a few days ago, right? It kind of gives you an easy stop placement right there. YRCW, we're starting to see some of these smaller cap stocks really start to fire off. Keep an eye on this bad boy. It's coiling up for a run. RGR, after that huge $10 move, we've just had, a pretty low volume pullback right to the 20-day moving average. Should get a bounce right there. MGM, same thing, right? $2 push, a $1 pullback right to support. We'll have this on watch tomorrow for a bounce, right? Stochastics showing oversold. Netflix sitting on support here. We might get another short out of this. If we can break this level, we could get a nice, easy day trade out of it. CDTI, huge push today. Finally broke out of this range. It's still probably got more, more juice in it. We're kind of testing this area, so I wouldn't just buy it on the break of this. You would need a really strong intraday setup to get this thing going. But it's got some Momo, and we've seen this stock in the past go on some runs, so I think it's still in play. I've got LNG on watch. If oil starts bouncing, right, we're starting to get a little bit oversold on oil. We're having a nice pullback to support. You can see if you're looking at USO, right, we've been down quite a bit from the top over here, and we're starting to get oversold. Maybe we get another gush down in USO, and then, possibly look for a bounce. Vivis, we were trading this in the chat room today. This is a big crack here, and, watch around this level, right? We could get a gap fill or a potential bounce here, but my thinking is we probably got a little bit more downside left in this. And so it's going to be in play both ways. I'm going to watch this for a potential bounce here. And you know what? We'll also be watching it for potential day trades. FSLR, after that big run back to the 200-day moving average, pulling right back to support. Keep this on watch for potential bounce tomorrow. We saw some solars popping today, so maybe this one's going to go. Eagly, this is a shipper that's just really just kind of chilling under this $4 breakout spot, but if the market goes, I suspect stocks like this will start to really run. Merge, this is going to need probably about 2-3 more days, but definitely has a look that it's going to break over that 200-day moving average relatively soon. EXH, this stock is based in, chilling right near highs with oil falling, so my thinking is if oil can run, this one can really go. Tango, flag pattern, sitting around here, just tightening up. Look for a push over about 340. It's going to need some volume. The volume's been dying off of recent, except for this first push. And so we're going to need to see that thing flow in. ROSG, huge close today. I think this is on watch for continuation play tomorrow. You can see the $7 mark looks like a key level. So if we can break over that, something might happen. This stock is known for history of big runs. GNMK on watch for a rubber band short. If we get a gap up and a push in the morning, I'm going to look to short this thing. And then ES might need a couple more days, but watch